Hey there, if you want to set up Spotify as the default music player for your 2024 version new Amazon Echo Spot, it's a really quick process, so let's link them together.
Here's Spotify.
To connect your Spotify account with your Alexa Echo Spot, open up the Alexa app, go to this three horizontal line or more settings. Now you can go either music and more or skills and games. I'm gonna go to music and more. From there to this wheel icon. As you can see right now, Amazon Music is my default music player. First, we need to link Spotify. So tap on the link option. From this list, select Spotify and then tap on enable the use. You'll be redirected in this browser. Don't worry, just scroll down and agree to these terms and conditions. And hey, what do you know? Your Spotify account is just like that linked with your Amazon Echo Spot. I'm tapping on close. Now, if you want to use Spotify as a default music player, you can redirect yourself right from this prompt. Or, just in case if you didn't get this or missed it, open up your Alexa app, go to the more settings. Once again, go to the earlier settings we have shown you. Tap on your default service. And in this section, change all these settings into Spotify. And that's it. From now, Spotify is your default music player on your Amazon Echo Spot. Hey Alexa, play music.
Sure. Here's Spotify.
Thanks for watching.